Hi everyone, Christmas is my absolute favorite time of year. And every Christmas we have this little family ritual to make these cookies and send out a box to all the important people in our lives. It's just our way of sharing the holiday spirit. What about you? Do you have any big or small Christmas traditions? Let me know in the comments. This family recipe is so simple to make, but trust me, the cookies turn out incredibly crisp, fresh, and absolutely delicious. So let's start with the dough preparation. You'll need room temperature butter. It should be soft enough that you can press your fingers into it. Add powdered sugar and mix it in. Start with a little elbow grease, then switch to a hand mixer until the mixture turns light and fluffy. Next, we'll add egg whites and whisk until everything's well combined. You want the mixture to be super light, so you're gonna mix until the color is light. Then add flour and gently fold it into the batter. You don't want a lot of air bubbles in the batter at this point, so avoid over-mixing. You can find the recipe in the description box, so don't worry if you miss anything right now. Next, add cocoa powder to one portion and matcha powder to the other portion of the dough. Soon you'll see why. Once everything's mixed, transfer the dough to a piping bag and have fun with the shapes. I went with Christmas trees because, obviously, it's Christmas. But you can get as creative as you like. By the way, every year my mother makes these cookies because I'm usually busy with work, and I usually just like to laze around during the holidays. But this time I decided to fulfill the ritual. While the cookies are baking, it's time to melt some white chocolate for decorating. I love using the double boiling method, but you can also use a microwave if that's easier for you. Once the cookies are out of the oven and cooled, dip them into the melted chocolate and decorate them however you want. And there you go. Aren't these the easiest cookies to make? And now for cookie number 2, we're making these red velvet beauties. These are a showstopper because honestly, who doesn't love a good red velvet treat during the holidays? We're pretty much following the same steps as before, but this time we're switching things up with that classic red velvet flavor. Also, did you notice we're using gluten-free low-calorie flour in these recipes? Now, I know calories shouldn't count during the holidays, but since we're sending these out to so many friends and family, we like to make sure everyone can enjoy them without any worries. I think it's only fair this way. Anyway, back to the recipe. We're going to cream our butter and powdered sugar again, just like last time. Then we'll add a splash of red food coloring and some cocoa powder to bring that iconic red velvet flavor to life. Once that's all mixed, it's into the piping bag and onto the tray, and into the oven for about 15 minutes. But the time can slightly vary depending on the power of your oven. So keep an eye on the cookies to avoid any accidents. I don't want your cookies ruined, I swear. And just like that, our family tradition is ready to share with the people we love most. I really hope you give these cookies a try. They've been such a big part of our Christmas memories, and who knows? They might just become part of yours too. And don't forget to share your favorite Christmas traditions in the comments.